Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all 3 different ways you can install individual crochet passion twists. Before we get started, I'm going to show you what products I used. If you don't want to see this part, you want to skip straight to the installation, I'll put the time right here. But some people don't want to see all this, so the first thing you're going to need is the hair, of course. So the hair I used was passion twist hair from ToyoTress. So this is the hair passion twist, and it says it's 100% handmade from ToyoTress. In a jumbo pack, it comes with 8 individual packs, and each little pack is 12 strands of hair in each. I have the color 1B and 20 inches. And the packet also comes with crochet needle, rubber bands, and some hair accessories. So I guess this is if you want to do the rubber band method. I don't use rubber bands, so I'm not going to use those. I use my DIY whipped shea butter, less jam, extra hold, some hair mousse, Tresemme extra firm control hairspray. This is my first time using this edge control. Alright, so let's jump into how I installed these passion twists. This is my natural hair. Since my hair is going to be in a protective style for a couple weeks, I want to keep my hair moisturized. So first I'm going to use my DIY whipped shea butter to moisturize my hair. My hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. I did not blow dry my hair. I let my hair air dry. And how I part my hair, I usually part my hair either with a rectangle comb or with my fingers. So I'm just going to use my finger. Next I'm going to use some less jam on my roots. This is the first way I'm going to install these passion twists. I'm going to braid my hair at the root maybe 4 or 5 times down. That's it. Take the crochet needle. Loop it through. The passion twist hair in. Open and pull your natural hair through the loop. Pull tightly. Take your natural hair and start to twist around the passion twist hair. Grab some less jam, put it down or put it on your natural hair, because since your natural hair or my natural hair is kinky and the passion twist hair is more silky, I want my hair to be as smooth as possible. So twist, then you want to open up the passion twist and pull your hair through. Twist down. Open up the passion twist and pull it through. So you just want to repeat that step all the way down. And this is actually a method that I used throughout my whole head. The front of my hair, I did a different method and I'm going to show you guys what I did. But for majority of my hair, I did it like this. And when I get to the last little bit of hair, I just keep retwisting around that same opening I have in the passion twist hair. And that's it. Let me show you the second way. Since this is kind of in the front area, I'm going to use edge control. With this method number 2 now, I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections. Grab the passion twist hair, open it, or pull my hair through one of the sections. other hair that's not through the passion twist, split that into 2 sections right here, and then you're going to begin braiding your natural hair together so the passion twist could be nice and snug at the root of your hair. Braid it in a couple times, not too much. Then you're going to start to twist the hair. If you want, you can keep braiding all the way down. I don't braid my natural hair all the way down because my hair gets kinky when it's time to take out a braid. A twist is pretty easy for me to unravel, but braiding my natural hair, it tangles too much. This is your hair. This is the passion twist hair. Crochet needle, and you're just going to push it through the middle of the passion twist. Grab your natural hair, put it through, close. So your hair's right here. You want to do the same thing again. And that's it. My hair is gone. It's in between the passion twists. So these are the 2 that we installed so far. This is the first method. Still look pretty good to me. This is the second method. This is the last method I'm going to show you guys. And this is for the people who want to be in the comments asking me why do I put fake hair in my head if my hair is long. I didn't know that protective style was only for people who had short hair. So when did that happen? Let me know, because yeah, I didn't know that. I thought you could do whatever you want with your hair no matter what the length is. So don't ask me that question because I'm not going to answer it. It's my hair and I put whatever I want in my hair no matter how long or short it is. Okay, the last method is the passion twist hair. I'm just going to unravel it. And this would have been what I would usually do to my hair, but I just did not feel like doing that. Yeah, I really did not feel like doing it. And actually this method is what I did to the front of my hair, the perimeter. You want to start with a plain old braid plait to your hair. These 2 are the passion twist hair. You just braid down a couple times. Then the middle, this is your natural hair. You split into 2 sections. Grab the jam, put it on your hair so your hair could be smooth like the passion twist hair, and then you just twist. All the way down. This is the last one I just did, passion twist. So if I felt like the ends were a little raggedy, I would just snip it a little bit, lightly snip. Just a light snip. And that is it though. These are the passion twists I just showed you I did. And they all look pretty good to me. So now that we're done installing the passion twist, I'm gonna grab you some mousse. I usually use a different brand, but it was brought to my attention that it has alcohol in it. So, trying to be more cautious. Oh my gosh. More cautious of products I put in my hair. Even though I don't go back and put more mousse in my hair, this is the first and last time I put mousse in my hair. Girl, I just made a mess with this mousse. It's everywhere. And all my arms all over the floor. You can always skip this step. I'm not, because again, I'm only going to spray this on my hair this one time. Some hairspray, extra hold. This does contain alcohol, so if you don't like alcohol products in your hair, skip this step. Pretty long. It come down here. Now I'm done. Pretty easy. It took me about 4 hours to install this hair. That's not long at all. To me, it's not anyway, for me to do my hair myself. This hair is so lightweight. I love it. It's so beautiful. Look how cute they are. They're so pretty. Have you tried patch and twist? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? This hairstyle is so freaking cute. Just love it. And if you don't want to do individual crochet method like I did, you can go ahead, of course, and cornrow your hair down and just crochet this hair onto your cornrows. So easy. If you have any questions, comments about this hairstyle, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you will be notified when a new video is posted. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.